let's look at DOL, or degree of operating leverage. So this is going to essentially measure the degree to which I'm using fixed operating costs in my business. Okay, so remember, what are fixed operating costs? They are things like salaries. You have to pay salaries in good times as well as in bad times. You have to pay rents. So they're not a function of your units sold. You have to expense depreciation, which is a fixed charge, and so on. Now, the more of these expenses you've got, the greater your operating leverage will be and the riskier your business will be. Now, mathematically, we can measure the degree to which you're operatingly levered by taking the percentage change in your operating income, so that's essentially the percentage change in your EBIT, and divide that by the percentage change in your sales. So as an example, if I discover that when my sales go up by 1%, my operating income actually jumps by 3%, that's going to give me 3 over 1 or 3x. So that will imply that in the event that sales went up by 5%, then your operating income would go up by 15%. But of course, leverage is a dual-edged sword. If next year is a bad year and we've got a crisis and sales go down by 10%, then your EBIT will go down by 10 times 3x. So go down by 30%. And of course, on the other extreme, if I'm running a business that has no fixed operating costs, imagine I'm running a business from my house, I'm not paying any business rents, and I'm not employing any other people than myself, a one-man shop, so I have no fixed costs, then my degree of operating leverage will be 1x, implying that 1% change in sales will translate in exactly 1% change in operating income.